What's up, YouTube? The Dividend Stock King here with another video. And today's video, before I start, thank you for watching this video. My channel talk about dividend paying stocks, how everyone needs a second stream of income, and you could do this by investing in dividend stocks. I am not a stock expert. I am not a financial advisor, CPA, whatever you want to call it. These are my opinions. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, what stock should I invest in today? Okay, so that's your question. What stock invest in today? Now, that's a hard question to answer because tomorrow's going to change, next week's going to change. The stock market changes every single hour, every single minute. There is no one size fit all. I can't tell you what stock to buy today. I can recommend a stock that I like and give you my opinion on it, but it's up to you to do your own research. And the bottom line is the best thing you could do in the stock market is research. What is the stock? How they make their money? How much they made this year, last year, 3, 4 years ago. If it took a hit, why it took a hit? Who's in charge? How long have they been in charge? Go to their website, look at their financials, look at their stockholder information. Every major stock has their own website. They have those sections for shareholders. You read information. So what stock should you invest in today? I mean, how much money do you have? You have 10, 20, 30, $40. How much money do you have to invest? And what is your goals? Do you want to get paid dividends? Do you want to buy and hold? Do you buy for low and sell when high? Do you want to, invest in a startup company that you think will be the next Tesla or next Amazon? There's so many questions you have to ask yourself. All I can give you is this. One of my favorite stocks that I like of all is Main Street Capital. This is my opinion now. I like Main Street Capital. They invest in a lower market to middle market businesses and companies. They loan them money and they come and pay them back with interest. I'm up $213. I have 57 shares of Main Street Capital. It took me a while to get here, but I'm here. It pays a monthly dividend as well. As you can see here, the dividends here. I'm getting paid $11.48 coming up. Well, my recent dividend is coming up. I'll go to dividends here. So my recent dividend is $11.48, and these guys pay on the 15th or 16th of every single month, and they've been paying me every month, and they have not stopped, they have not slowed down. I like it because they're paying me. I think they have a new company they loan money to, a lot of money to. It's a construction company, so they're getting better. During the whole pandemic, they pay a dividend. And I said before, I told people to invest in the stock market. Soon as the stock market crashed because of the pandemic, that was the best time to invest your money. Because if a company can still pay a dividend through harsh times, they'll be good to go during the bad times or good times. Main Street Capital is always paying me dividend every single month. As you see here, every month it's gone up and up and up because I always buy a couple shares. I wanted to give me $10 a month, and I'm getting $11.48. Next month in November, I'm gonna get another $11.48 every single month. Seeking alpha here. The trend is always good. The last, look at the trend, and dropped here because of the pandemic. You could have got it for $20, $18, and just that was usually. While I was looking at this stock, last year, I was looking at it like $45, $43 a share. Now, I waited. I mean, that was the best time to invest, and I waited and waited and waited, and I just had to wait. And then here, I bought one share for $16. Now we're $29. I mean, this is the perfect time to invest. It came back some to it came to $33 one point and dropped off to 29. To me, it's still a good deal because here it was always $45, $43 a share. So It may get back to where it was earlier this year or last year. I don't know. But this is my opinion. Do your own research. But if I had to buy one stock today, if I had $30, I would buy Main Street Capital. It pays every month. It pays on the 15th. It pays 20 cents a share. It paid me every month during the pandemic. I mean, all the YouTubers that I watch that invest in the stock market, they all have Main Street Capital. They all have AT&T. They all have Main Street Capital. They all have All Realty. These guys who buy dividends, they buy quarterly and monthly. The one they always have is Main Street Capital. They always have Main Street Capital. They always do. So I started buying some Main Street Capital, and I don't go by other people's view or they give me good advice on a stock. I go buy it. I buy it for myself, and I see how well it does. And as long as they pay me a dividend every month, and they're acquiring new companies, and they're loaning money out, and people are paying. And the more important thing is their companies, I believe during the pandemic, was still paying back their money to the Main Street Capital. So that's great news. That's my opinion. That's my opinion on it. What stock would I invest in today? That's what I would do. I would buy that. And if I had to pick a number two, a number two stock would be, this is my opinion. This is all my opinion. I'm not telling you what to buy. You buy on your own discretion. Do your own research. Don't listen to me. Excuse me. I will probably buy another CLM. CLM is pretty good. Lots of controversy. I made a few videos about CLM as well. I made a few videos about it because it's risky. The dividend yields are very, very high for a cheap stock. It pays like 18 cents a share, and it's like $10. But it's risky. It's really risky. I own 58 shares. It's really, really risky. I own $50, but you can see I'm getting paid $10.75 in this month, and they pay every single month, end of the month. A lot of people don't like it. Some people do like it, and I look at the holdings. I look at what's in this fund, and the fund looks strong. But that's my opinion on it. As you see here, the holdings of it. You got Microsoft, you got Google, you got Amazon, you got companies that Cisco Systems, MasterCard, the Home Depot. These companies, in my opinion, they're not going anywhere anytime soon. So, that's my second one I would get. But I mean, it's up to you what you want to buy, what you want to invest in. But hey, I always say do your own research, and do your own research. Okay. And that's it for the video. Please like the video, share the video, and again, ask all these questions. Ask yourself, how much money do you have? And when you invest in the stock market, you got to do it consistently. Don't do it for a month and stop, because you're going to get 20, 30 cents, and you ain't making no money. Honestly, you're like, I'm 30 cents. You have to consistently buy stocks. That's how I got to this point now where I'm making like $75 a month. Because I probably make $75 a month, give or take a dollar or two, a rough figure. I could continually buy stocks. I have my goal of $500 a month. I want $500 a month in passive income to pay the light bill, water bill, internet bill, or cell phone bill. That's my goal. Okay, so that's it for the video. Please like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build this thing up to a massive thing. I'm giving people great information because I wasn't raised on buying stocks. I didn't get into the stock market until I was like 32, 33. Been doing about it. I had to learn for myself. I'm trying to spread the word that people who work a normal job can build a second stream income just by buying stocks. You know how to work another side job. If you want to start a business, that's fine. I encourage you to start a business, but have multiple streams of income. Multiple streams of income is a must. Thanks for watching.